You sugarcoat are a big chicken.
You better see the school doctor about it. It sounds like you got something extremely serious, and it could be contagious. Good morning, class. I am your math teacher, Mr. Count. This week, we'll work on multiplication. But first, we must welcome our new classmates.
Then there's your problem. If your occupation doesn't help the community and you're not getting paid for it, then that's not considered a job.
Now, Miss Eunice, as a fully licensed doctor, except for England, if you would be cooperative as to put on this straitjacket, well, there goes my New Year's resolution.
You caught me spelling? Why are you doing this? Don't you know that this makes me very angry and I will do terrible, horrible things to you? Go ahead and skin it. Skin that smoke wagon and see what happens.
Alright, then
I'm getting tired of your yapping, now do it.
Now look here, Buster. I
said throw down, boy.
Now cut it out or I'll.
You gonna do something or do I have to slap you again? Shut up! Quiet! Don't sing so loud! What's the matter? You deaf or something? There's one thing I hate, and it's noise! I said I hate noise! I can't stand noise!
Seriously? Okay, he's in for it this time. Thank you for telling me.
Isn't he the guy that coughs up baseball-sized hairballs?
I'll get a mop. Yo, Milo, you seen Hot Stuff anywhere? I'm thinking about asking him to join our basketball team. Duh, the boys' basketball team. With him on our team, along with Spooky, it's gonna be sweet.
Hey, Boo Boo, did you remember to bring the picnic basket?
I got all our favorite goodies right here. By the way, did you finally get rid of that Karen, Yogi?
I certainly did, Boo Boo.
Gee, how did you do it, Yogi?
Let's just say I'm smarter than the average ranger.
Doggish bug, I should have known you'd be causing trouble. I thought you were still on vacation. I told you I'll be back in 3 weeks. Now what have you done this time? Nothing. I'm just low on money, that's all. You dirty crook, you never carry money. Plus, you still owe me $400 for the last order you made since I first opened this diner. And for 50 years, you still haven't paid for it. Well, money's hard to get these days. Enough chatting. You have 2 choices. Either work to pay for your order, or I call the cops. Isn't there a third option? No. Fine, I'll work for my order. Better than being in jail anyway.
Teaching these kids how to dance every day can make a teacher dog-tired. I'm getting too old for this. Begging your pardon, sir, but you'll need it on the telephone. I wouldn't have these stupid phone calls if you would start telling them reporters where I live.
Did I ever tell you about how Rudolph almost ruined the Philadelphia Eagles versus the Dallas Cowboys NFL game last year?
I'm getting sick of you guys messing up all the time. You left me no choice but to fire everyone in this room.
Oh, I got one. Cinderella.
We already
Cinderella?
Yeah, you told me she don't mean a handsome Bigfoot, which makes it boring. Yummy people! I say yummy delicious people!
I don't know, that's pretty nasty.
We're talking about socks today.
Yummy!
That come out pretty good that time.
Never mind, I'll go be in the bushes.
I ate Taco Bell. I'm gonna move Taco Bell to China and build a wall on it.
Action.
Hello, my name is John Maroon.
And I'm Ben Harley.
Apparently Panics is going around the world, and apparently did this around every corner.
I'm seriously worried about your mental health.
What mental health? What mental health?
Alright, cut. Action.
Will yous marry me?
Are you kidding me? No.
Season's tidings to you all.
Hello, mate.
Hello, Governor, Madam, and the little nipper right there in the back.
Made a living biological hybrid so astounding that she will capture the imagination of the entire world. You have to stop her before she gets to North America. What happens if she does make it? Then humans will be at the bottom of the food chain.